Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today is part 3 of the series Building the Western Hunter Knife from KnifeKits.com. Today we're going to cut the pins down. I did not do it in the second video to show everyone it makes it a little difficult if you don't. These scales are Grip. They're G10 layered with a rubber composite. And always remember, when you're sanding and cutting this stuff, use a respirator and hearing protection. Now we'll get started. We'll get this knife shaped up. Now I've got the headlight on, all the safety gear. We're ready to cut these off. Now, I believe I have it sanded down enough to put on the work sharp. I do recommend wearing a pair of these gloves while sanding this material. Now I'm going to move over to the hand sanding. I'm not going to show all of it, but I'm able to show you part of it. I ran into a little issue with the camera and lost the footage of the hand sanding of this knife. So what I'm going to do is explain to everyone just what I did. I took the file to smooth out everything. Then I took some 120 grit sandpaper, progressed up to 220, then went to the 400 and finished up with 1000 grit. On the sharpening video, we're going to polish everything up, sharpen the blade, and put wicked wax on everything. Be watching for that video. Till then, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, Like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.